Phonic. First we have to read the word phonic with phonics. P and H is the digraph which makes the sound of F. O, N, E, K. Phonic. This is phonic. So प्यारे बच्चों, this and is, these are the tricky words. This is phonic. It was a, ये तीनों tricky words हैं. Sunny morning. S, A, N, E. Sunny. O, R, N, ink. Morning. ING is the trigraph which makes the sound of ink. B, ache. Snake. And ink. Inky. Had. On. Gone to the park. In a, these two words are tricky words. इनको हम ऐसे ही याद करते हैं. स्पेलिंग्स याद करेंगे. IN. In a, k, o, r. Cor, ner. Corner. In a corner of Inky's house. In the word house, O and U are the digraph. O and U come together makes the sound of ow. House. House was phonic. It was dark. It was dark in the corner. Inky, snake, and B ran. Ran in. Inky went. Went to get some. Drinks. Inky went to get some drinks. Did you see that juggler? Jug. Juggler. In the park, said snake. Yes, said B. He was an fan. Fantastic. Exclaimed. Exclaimed. Inky. जो वर्ड्स यहाँ पर लाइट लिखे हुए हैं वो साइलेंट हैं. उनकी कोई फोनिक्स नहीं करेंगे, कोई साउंड प्रोड्यूस नहीं करेंगे. We and are, these are tricky words. We will just memorize the spelling. W-E, we, A-R-E-R. We are, S-O-R-E. Sorry. Y जब word के end पे आता है तो वो E sound देता है. Phonic, cried B. But you is also a tricky word. Cannot, not. Cannot come out. O and U makes the sound of ow and it's t. Out, with us. You need to be plugged in. You need to be plugged in. Yes, no, and other kind of command words are also tricky words. Y-E-S, yes. Agreed. Agreed. Double E is also a digraph and makes together the sound of long E. Phonic. Agreed, phonic. L-U-K. Look. E-N-G. Looking sad. I think. Think. I have a plan. Muttered. Muttered. Inky and scampered off. Soon she was back. Back with a big at flat black box. This is a laptop. 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 She said to Phonic. Lord. O and A makes the sound of O. It's also a digraph. All the digraphs playlist is in the description. Load yourself onto a disk. D-E-S-K. Disk. Then she loaded phonics. Here is the post of S. Disk onto the laptop, and there was, these two are tricky words, phonic. There was phonic. Up on the screen. In screen. Phonic can come with us on our O and U are next. Next. Outing. Out. Ink. Outing. Said Inky. Brilliant. B-R-E-L. Brill. E-A-N-T. Brilliant. Cried Snake and Bee.